How to log out of My Drama application. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're switching accounts, using a shared device, or just want a fresh login, you can easily sign out or log out of your My Drama application, whether you are using a smartphone or tablets. First things first, launch open the My Drama application on your device like you normally do, and then make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile button. Inside your profile page, click on Settings. Underneath Settings, go to the very bottom and click on Sign Out. Before signing out, make sure you remember your credentials. In the pop-up, confirm to sign out by tapping Continue. And right after you do that, you have successfully signed out or logged out of My Drama application. Super quick and easy, isn't it? You've successfully logged out like a pro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.